Salutations, welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Sniper's channel. Alright, so today we're gonna have a Hadrosauridae. What I have here are both from Rebirth. So this is the Iani Smithi. I painted it, custom painted. I think I already showed this before. I can't remember which video though. So if you take a look at it, I just googled the color. Painted the belly, there's a DNA scan. Even the claws are all painted. Go. I don't want to move the neck, it might damage the paint, so let's not do that. And this one right here is the Minqaria, also another my custom paints. There you go. There's a DNA scan. I like it a lot. Pretty good. I think I did a good job here. Whoops. There are the toes, even the front toe right there, the front dew claw I would say, because it has 3 hoops right there. Okay, so the reason I brought these little ones out because of the DRYOSAURUS. I believe this looks like a Hadrosaurid, so let's check it out. Let's unbox it. I also have another one on the way. I ordered another one, so too bad it's not here yet. I wish it was here so we can do both. But anyways, let's check this Epic DRYOSAURUS. Let's check the eye. It has like a yellow and green, but when you look at the figure itself, I think it's not that easy to put the green in it. But I think they did a good job though. Looks good. So let's unbox it. Also, I believe that this will be the last. This will be our last video for 2025. So if I don't see you guys, I'll see you maybe January next year already, next month. Let's open it up. I don't have anything to review now, so this could be, yeah, probably it. Our last video for this year. Whoa. Where's the tail? Oh my gosh. Okay. So we got the tail out. Is it bendy? Yeah, it's bendy, nice and bendy. Let's take out the figure. We don't want to damage it. Okay. Kids are behind me. Oh, there's another jaw right there. I wish it just made it articulated instead of like they made it like 2-piece. Okay. Oh my gosh, almost hurt myself. Okay, we got that out. We'll take the other jaw out as well. Let's put the tail in. Okay. We need there we go. You hear that snapping sound. Okay, it does look weird with the jaw open like this. If you look closely, so you can see there's still a little green in the eye, which is good. Yeah, there it is. Whoops. There. It's nice coloring. We have our green Hadrosaurids here. Looks like they didn't paint the dew claw again. They painted it here though, which is good. You can move the arms up and down. Now let's take the jaw out. Let's use the lower jaw. How do you? Oh, there we go. Oh, what? Yeah, I think this was a bad idea what Model did. I wish they didn't do this. There you go. So not bad. You can still see the teeth. Now let's compare it to our Iani. So the DRYOSAURUS is bigger, longer as well. Has a longer length. And then our Minqaria. Yeah. It's a Hammond Collection, so they're obviously longer. Tails are always longer. So not bad. Looks like there's a little damage there. Doesn't go something. Okay, nice. Let's move this aside. Let's put some poses. Let's make some poses here. Whoa. It doesn't even. There you go. Yeah. Alright guys, there you have it for today. Our last video for 2025. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all the support for this last few months. Happy New Year. We'll see you January. Thank you. Have a good one.